To begin with, let us first look at the isometric scale. For drawing manually any isometric part, we first draw the isometric scale. In the case of software, we draw it with regular dimension and then we scale it down. So first of all, we draw a horizontal line of whatever distance you want. Right now I have taken 110 millimeters. So we have, let us mark these things for every 10 millimeters. Right. Now, using a protractor, we are going to mark 30° and 90° angles. Sorry, 30 and 45° angles. So let's mark 30, 40, 45, somewhere here, and we draw, similarly we draw lines. And we mark, we don't mark it here, let us mark it on 45° line. So ISO line will, or ISO scale, we are going to mark on 30° line. So let me mark a little more. Okay, this should be fine. And let us take, on the 45° line, let us mark 10 mm. 10 mm is not a rule. You can actually mark for every 5 mm or 3 mm or whichever mm you want. But essentially you need to find out the ISO scale. So to find out the ISO scale, we have to draw perpendicular lines. Perpendicular, that is vertical lines. I'm not drawing very dark lines. I'm going to draw light lines. I'm once again not drawing all the lines. This is only for demonstration. So if you measure this distance, you will find out that it will be somewhere around 0.815 or 832 or something like that. Basically it is cos 45 by cos 30. So that's what comes out to be around 0.83 or 81. I'm not too sure. So this is how you scale it, right? So the ISO scale is, this is of course ortho scale, and this of course is also ortho scale, but it is inclined at 45 degrees, and this is at 30° line, and this is the ISO scale line.